Understanding the phrase, foot race. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore and learn the English language together. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, the phrase, foot race. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Foot race is a compound noun made up of two words, foot and race. Foot refers to the lower extremity of the leg below the ankle, on which a person stands or walks. Race, on the other hand, is a competition between runners, horses, vehicles, etc., to see which is the fastest in covering a set course. When we combine these two words, we are essentially talking about a competition based on speed, where participants use their feet to run. There are various types of foot races, each with its unique characteristics. Here are a few examples. 1. Sprints. These are short-distance races that require participants to run as fast as they can. A famous example is the 100-meter dash. 2. Marathons. These are long-distance races, typically covering 26.2 miles or 42.195 kilometers. 3. Relays. In these races, each runner covers a specific portion of the distance before passing a baton to the next runner. 4. Hurdles. Runners have to jump over obstacles placed at intervals throughout the race. Understanding these types of foot races can help clarify the context when the phrase, foot race, is used. Now that we know what foot race means, let's see how it can be used in sentences. 1. My brother is participating in a foot race next weekend. 2. This sentence indicates that the speaker's brother will be competing in a running event. 3. The annual foot race attracts runners from all over the country. 4. Here, the phrase, foot race, is used to describe a running event that happens once a year. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, foot race. We hope this video has provided clarity and helped enhance your understanding of English phrases. Don't forget to practice using the new terms in your conversations to ensure they become a permanent part of your vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.